My body.
My body.
Okay, very good. That's cute. Let's listen to the music.
My body.
My body.
What is this?
It is a nose. Nose.
What is this?
It's a mouth. Mouth.
What are these?
They are eyes. Eyes.
La 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 la. La la la. What are these?
They are ears. Ears.
What are these?
They are feet. Feet.
What are these?
They are hands. Hands.
Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap.
Okay, so that is our song, My Body. Okay, so today we are going to identify, name, and trace the shape square. Okay, can you say square?
Square.
Square. Okay, very good. You're so cute. Okay, we are going to review the shape square. Okay, and we also gonna identify and name the color. Color yellow. Okay, let's say yellow. Yellow. Okay, yellow. Very good. Okay, we have fish here that is color yellow. Look at that. Color yellow here, and color yellow there. Okay, so are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? You say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, very good. Okay, first let's have this one. Okay, before you spin the wheel. Okay. Okay, so can you point your mouth?
Mouth.
Mouth. Can you say mouth?
Mouth.
Okay, very good. So here, if we got a shape, you are going to clap, clap, clap. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, click the start button. Go. Okay, what did you get?
Eye.
Eyes. Very good. Okay, can you point your eyes? Okay, point your eyes. Point, point, point. Can you do this one? Point your eyes.
Eye.
Point your, use your finger and point your eyes. Okay, very good. Oh, yes. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, we have, what do we have there? What is that? What shape is that?
Circle.
Tickle.
Circle. Very good. Let's clap, clap, clap.
Clap, clap, clap. ตบมือด้วย
Let's say clap, clap, clap.
โอ้ด้วย clap, clap, clap.
Clap, clap, clap. Yes, that is circle. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, what shape is that?
อะไรคะ Square. Square. Square.
Square.
Square. Okay, let's clap, clap, clap.
Clap, clap.
Clap, clap, clap.
Okay, very good. Go, go, go. Okay, what did you get?
รูปอะไรคะ Square.
Square.
Square. Clap, clap, clap.
Clap,
Clap, clap, clap. Okay, very good. Let's go. Okay, what did you get?
Note.
Nose. Very good. Can you point your nose? Point, point, point.
Point với chị thế rồi.
Point your nose. Yay. Good job. Okay, let's have the next one. Go, go, go. Click, click. Okay, what did you get?
Mouth.
Mouth. Okay, very good. You did a great. Okay, well done. You got your well done star. Well done. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, here we are going to listen to the music shape chant. Okay, let's listen to the music shape chant.
Shape chant. Square.
Square, square, square. It is a square. Square, square, square. Find the square. A square is a shape that I see everywhere. Look, I see one there.
Okay, so that is the shape chant. And we have a square. Can you say square?
Square.
Square, very good. And we have a square here. Okay, this is a square. Okay, and this one is a square too. There are square everywhere. Okay, hachi. Good job.
Okay.
Mommy, go, 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 mommy.
Oh, she
Yes.
a fever.
Yeah. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, let's listen again to the song. Let's start working.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. Look, look, look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, very good. Okay, now look, there are so many things there are so many things. Okay, here. Okay, now let's find some square. Okay, this is a square. Okay, can you circle another square? Wow, there are lots of square. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Yes, yes, yes. All of them are square. Wow, very good. That's a great job. Okay, very good. Okay, can you say this is square?
It's a square.
Square.
Okay, it's a square.
Square.
Okay, it's a square.
Square.
Okay, it's a square.
Square.
It
Okay, very good. Square. Good job. Oh, that is the tissue. Okay, let's have the next one. There are so many foods on the table. Okay, which one is a square?
Anh này thích square. Anh này square.
Oh, the table. Okay.
Bên này ít.
Okay, very good. The chocolate is a square. Okay, the pizza is a square, and the biscuits are a square too. Okay, very good. Okay, all of them are square. Can you say square?
Square.
It's a square.
Square. Okay, good job. Let's have the next one. Okay, here now we are in the kitchen. Let's find some square. Okay, circled another square.
Circle, square.
Okay, that is a square. Okay, wow, all of them are square. Okay, can you say it's a square?
Square.
Okay, very good. Okay, you did a great job. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, now we are going to listen to the color song.
Color song.
Color song. Yellow.
Yellow, yellow, this color is yellow. Yellow, yellow, this color is yellow.
Okay, so that is our color song, and we hear that it's color yellow. Wow, that's great. Is it a dinosaur? The dinosaur is yellow. Wow, very good. Okay, you got a yellow star. Look, yellow star. Very good. That's a great one. Okay, very good. So we are going to review the color yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Okay, which one is color yellow?
Oh.
I like you. I like you. Even though you're not feeling well, you keep on saying yellow. Okay, very good. Okay, here we can see different yellow. Okay, what color is this? Yellow. Very good. How about the flowers? What color are the flowers? What color are the flowers? Yellow. Very good. That's a great job. Yes. Very good. Okay, now we are going to listen to the song. Let's start working.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. Look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Okay, let's start working. Okay, here Paul and Shelly are painting on the wall. Okay, can you circle which one is yellow? Okay, very good. Okay, teacher can see other things that is color yellow. Can you circle the other things that is color yellow? Aside from your dinosaur? Okay, that's yellow. Very good. Look, how about this one? Is this yellow?
ที่เสื้อคอด้วย
Look. Is this yellow too?
ที่เสื้อคอ
Yes, it's yellow too. Okay, very good. That's yellow. Okay, here you did great. You got your yellow star. Yellow star. Yes, that's your yellow dino. Okay, very good. Yellow dino. Okay, here, let's look. Can you circle all the things that is color yellow? Okay, very good. Okay, the table.
Foot.
Oh, the feet. Good job. How about the hands? Hands. Okay, very good. How about the flowers? Teacher can see flowers. Flowers, yes, very good. All of them are yellow. Okay, can you say? Wow, it's yellow. Okay, the table is yellow.
Canoe.
Okay.
Dino, yellow.
Okay, can you say the dino is yellow? Dino, yellow.
Để phút tao một
Dino. Dino.
Yellow dino.
Dino. Dino.
Okay, very good. Yellow flower.
Dino. Power.
Okay, very good. Yellow table.
Dino. Table.
Okay, yellow hands.
hand.
Ten.
Yellow feet.
Dino. Feet.
Okay, very good. Yellow star. We have the yellow star. Okay, good job. Yes. Okay, now let's color. Can you color the flower yellow?
Flower
Let's
yellow.
color them yellow.
Flower
Yellow, yellow. Okay, go, go, go. Yellow, yellow. Okay, very good.
Oh.
How about the banana? Let's color the banana yellow. Okay, and the lemon, let's color it yellow. Wow, very good. Okay, can you say yellow flower?
Dino. Power.
Yellow banana.
Mày phép nào. Phút tao cô cả.
Dino. Power.
Yellow banana.
Dino. Banana.
Okay, let's eat the banana. Let's eat the yellow banana. 1, 2, 3. Wow, yum, yum. That's yellow banana. Okay, let's say yellow lemon.
Dino. Lemon.
Okay, very good. The 3 yellow star. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, can you put here, can you drag here all the color yellow?
Làm phải.
Okay, let's put all the color yellow in the box. Let's drag the color yellow in the box.
Mẹ mẹ.
Okay, that's a square. Good job.
Oh, yellow in the box. Yellow.
Yellow, let's put the yellow on the box. Okay, that is a square. Okay, good job. Let's put the yellow on the other box. Okay, very good. The flower is yellow, the sun is yellow, and the crayon is yellow. Okay, let's say yellow crayon,
Dino. Carrot.
yellow sun,
Dino. Dad.
yellow flower.
Dino. Power.
Okay, very good. Can you say a square clock,
Carrot.
a square picture frame?
Square.
Okay, a square gift, gift. Okay, very good. That's a great job. Your 3 star. That's nice. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, you go here. What color is the bird? What color is the bird? What color is the bird? Is it yellow or orange?
คุณครูถามว่านกเสียอะไรตอบเลย yellow.
Okay, can you say yellow bird?
Bird.
Okay, very good. What color is the pear? What color is the pear?
อ๋อคุณครูว่า yellow ไปตอบว่า yellow.
What color is the pear? Can you say yellow pear?
Yellow.
Yellow pear.
The pear.
Okay, very good. What shape is the house? What shape is the house? What shape is the house?
Yellow ตอบคุณครูแล้ว
Yellow. Okay, and what shape it is?
It is yellow.
Square. Can you say square?
Look
Okay, square. Very good. How about this one? What color is the apple?
apple.
What What color is the apple?
ปู่
สีอะไรบอกคุณครู
สีแดง
ภาษาอังกฤษว่า
Red. Okay, very good. Red apple. Okay, you want to eat some apple? Let's eat some apple in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yum, 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 yum.
น้ำน้ำน้ำน้ำน้
Okay, very good. That is red apple. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's work together. Okay, can you drag the square here? Let's drag or the square. Okay, let's put the square together. That's on top here. You put it here. Okay, the next one here. Okay, let's go. Let's work. Let's work. The big box on top. Okay.
เห็นไหมข้างบนโอเค
ำเล็กกว่าข้างล่าง
Okay, let's put the small box or the small square. Okay, on the next one.
ไม่ต้องไว้ตรงนี้
Okay, okay, you put there on the other side. It looks like a Rubik's cube.
นี่ตอนนี้
Okay, put it there.
อ่า
Okay, almost there, almost there.
โอเคจัดการ
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes.